Put them on the edge of the counter, draw through. The rods are made to squeeze back so they pick up the original edge, works the original bevel back in any blade. Takes very little to no steel off your knife, yet you'll grab shaving sharp. I like to use a leather belt when I'm done. Use the rough side of your regular leather belt. That polishes the edge, takes them up in the arm shaving sharp. Ready? See that? Block sharpener, we will sharpen your blade. How's that feel, buddy? Sharper?
Oh yeah.
There you go.
It's back to almost new. Wow.
I'm doing these today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30.
Hmm? Yeah. I'll take this one.
Okay.
The one you want?
2 for 30.